Guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know what happened this morning. For those of you that was on my morning live, while I was live doing the cinnamon roll, the electricity went off. Nigeria wanted to stop me, but I said no, cannot be stopped. So along the line, I wanted to on my data, and the next thing happened. The worst happened. My tripod, my ring light fell on the ground and everything broke. This is me since morning thinking of how I'm going to get a new ring light because that thing cost me so much. 30,000 naira is not a small money in Nigeria right now. When I bought that ring light, I bought it 30,000. I know by now it would have doubled. And even at that, I did not stop. I have to place my phone on something and have to finish up what I started. This is me rolling the dough of the cinnamon, and this is me applying the cinnamon to the dough after rolling it out. This here I have a mixture of white sugar, cinnamon powder, and uh, and butter. This is what I have here. So I mix all together and it combined like this. And this is me spreading it out on this. So watch it out. If you haven't watched the beginning of the video, how we started, the measurement we made, go back to my live for this morning. You'll see it. I'm going to be tagging it on this video. Watch the video, then you can be able to understand this part better, because this is a work that I want to be stopped, but I refuse to be stopped. I have to continue. This is me cutting it after rolling it. After cutting it, I started rolling it one by one. You can see what I'm doing here. I was placing it on my baking tray as I am rolling it. So this is me. Sorry that you guys cannot see it very well. It's just the position I kept my phone. Position was not too good, but I have to, just for me to achieve my aim. So I do what I do to achieve my aim. So if you're in my life this morning, I'm so sorry for the interruption. It's not my fault. It's the country where I belong, where I am. Country that will not help you to grow, but they want to stop your growth. But all the same, we all, regardless of anything, we move. We continue moving. My problem now is how to get a tripod to continue my live streaming for tomorrow. And this is me after rolling it. This is how beautiful the cinnamon roll looks on my baking tray before I place it on the oven for baking. You guys to see how sweet and sumptuous it's looking. And guys, if you are just coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And for my returning subscriber, thank you. This is me mixing my glaze, the glaze I use to, to top my cinnamon after baking. Here I have mixture of banana yogurt and a teaspoon of sugar with um a teaspoon of sugar with a touch of vanilla. So this is my cinnamon already baked, already cooked, already done, looking sweet and sumptuous. This tastes so good. My daughter, I'm gonna be posting a video where my daughter almost finished the cinnamon. You guys will see it. I'll show you what she was saying. This girl was going to the kitchen, taking it back to back. This is it, guys. This is a breakfast idea that you would never want to mix. Try this out for breakfast. Use it with tea or coffee or chai or whatever you do. Use the cinnamon with it. Trust me, you will never go wrong. You want to do it again. And you see, this topping of this banana yogurt now took the cinnamon to the next level. It was so sweet, it was so nice, so delicious. Guys, this is healthy and balanced diet breakfast. Try it out if you haven't. Kindly go watch my video, share, like, and comment, and please don't forget to watch the video before you watch this one to be able to understand it better. And again, please, when you're watching my video, don't skip the advert. Don't skip the advert, so we can be able to earn revenue, earn money, okay, to be able to buy a new one. And guys, if you're watching this video, please, if you can support my ring light with some money, I would really appreciate. I need to get a new ring light to continue my video. I have a lot to do. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.